Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom. It's time to let your waters run free. Go with the flow, just like the ocean. You can't tell water where to go, where to flow. It will go exactly where it wants to. It'll fit into the place that it needs to be. Are you ready for your breakthrough and freedom? Go after your dreams and follow through, because you are almost there. The frequency is around you. Are you ready to accept it? I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt, and I let these things go. So I work to free myself of these darknesses. I cast off negative thoughts, and I find peace in my heart and discover the being of light within me. Negative energy and darkness is going to bring you trials, tribulations, and tests, and that's going to teach you why you need to let go of these things, because the moment that you let go of these things and you don't zone in on these emotions, you look into love, gratitude, light, happiness, prosperity, you excel to the next level. There's no reason for you to learn any more lessons. We've been in the darkness long enough. Where there's darkness, there's always light. So forget the darkness. Only give attention to the light, and therefore blessings are going to come your way. Life is much easier. It's about living, not about surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.